Now, we were talking about visual tools, right? So
Mhm.
people can take photos, you can feed that into some sort of image processing software. Now, are you using some like commercially available tools or open source libraries? Like what is to the extent that you can share, of course. I don't
Yeah,
have any trade
yeah.
secrets.
So it's an ever evolving process on what we have versus what other groups have. So some groups that we work with, so Gromix, out of Canada, they have a really good mobile app software. It works pretty well in terms of getting a basic output. Anybody can download it, anybody can use it. Neatleaf is the main one that we primarily like to use because it's automated. We don't have to go and manually snap a picture.
Mhm.
Same thing with the grower. Most operators don't have enough people that can walk their entire field every day. They're hoping at best that they can walk the field every week. And the challenge with that is there's a lot of things can happen within a week. And so the nice thing about that kind of system is it takes a picture multiple times a day to figure out what's going on. And so in terms of image analysis is just the first layer to identify what's going on. There are also other AI type applications that you can do on the output of that. So we'll test thousands and thousands of samples across an operation to understand where an infection's at. And you can use data analysis tools to figure out, okay, where is this infection coming from based on the pattern that you see. And so when you get to that level, the human eye, there are certain limitations on how much information we can store in our brains at a time in terms of looking at data. And that's where graphics and all that kind of color coding really, really helps. But when you start doing that on a regular basis, it's while you could do it, why spend a couple hours doing it like this when you can use AI to rapidly speed up the process?